Look behind you. Did you notice anything behind you? To the left more. That right there? Did you? What's that? What is that? What is it? Is that a present? Do you want to open it?
Okay.
You want to tear off the paper? Yeah, there's kitties. You gotta pull really hard. Rip it. Pull hard. Rip it.
Oh no. Mommy. Ow.
You can do it.
Pull hard.
Pull hard. Do it. You can do it. Yeah.
Why don't you help him get
You want me to
started?
help you? Here.
Go over there.
Wow, cool.
Here.
Daddy's gonna help you. No, you gotta stand up.
Here. No, stand up. Stand up.
Oh.
Pull. Pull. Here, right here. Pull right here. Walk that way. Pull. Here, pull this off. Pull this off.
Why don't you get the paper off?
Rip it off.
Pull the rest off.
Pull hard.
Good job. Maybe you can help him with that one.
Yay! Woohoo!
What is it?
It's a kitchen. Your kitchen remodel was done before ours.
Riley, push those buttons on the side. See those buttons? What is that? Good job, Riley.